Welcome, my name is Wanjira Maina. We are here in Kakuma 1 in Turkana County. So we'll be cooking, and this is a series of cooking vlogs that I have decided to do.
Please introduce yourself. I'm Daughter Work Mary, a South Sudanese. I'm from Dinka community and I'm living here in Kakuma refugee camp.
South Sudanese, and she'll be teaching us how to cook okra with some beef stew and kisra. Watch through the video as we get to teach you and learn new cooking techniques. So we've come to the end of our cooking vlog, and here is my meal. I want to rate this meal. So out of 10, I'll give it 7.5. What I really like about this is that I like the okra. The okra is very tasty. It's like spinach. The meat flavor in it is also very good. I'm yet to get familiarized with the kisra because of the sour taste, but then it tastes exactly just like a pancake. Yeah, so leave a comment down there if you've ever tried okra. You can also try cooking it and the kisra, and if you've cooked it, is it your favorite meal? So here we are, and I think for now the only thing we need to say is goodbye.